How do we solve a devious painting puzzle? Well, it's actually pretty simple. There's a couple of these located around the map, usually within ruins. The first one that you'll probably come across is nearby a Dayton hospital, right over here. Zooming in just to the north, you'll find this over here by Iron River in these coordinates where we can head to, look at a painting, and we'll be told to travel somewhere else. Then, up to the northeast, there should be another one somewhere around here. If you have the Red Sands area unlocked, right over here by Evergreen, you'll find one right here. Then, looking way up north, over here by this teleportation tower, Blackheart's Bay, you'll find another one over here. And the last one that I know of is all the way down in the west side over here. Zooming in, near this corrupted zone, you'll find, well, Rotten Saddle to the west down here. This is the next ruins that I know of. There's a couple of these spread around the map, though of course the easiest one that you may have skipped over is in the beginner area, all the way over here by Dayton Hospital, and the one that I'll be solving in this video. So we'll travel here and get it done. Alright, so coming up in these ruins over here, they'll all be done in plus minus the same way. You'll approach it, head into it, and somewhere inside you should find something like this. We'll hit Q to snap, and you can interact with the artist's diary, which tells you, look at the canvas, investigate, and you'll be given a picture like this. We need to navigate across to this location in order to finish it. This location, well, picking up the map here first, that is, should be right about somewhere in Iron River, and I think it should be plus minus over here somewhere. I would think that seems about right. Somewhere in this area here should be what we're looking for, maybe a bit further west. So we'll navigate there and see what's there for us. So I'll head towards the nearest teleporter and teleport plus minus where we need to be. So here probably. Then we'll navigate north from here, and we should find at the bottom of this hill where the road is a glowing spot, and this glowing spot should be what we're looking for. Running up to it, there we go. We should get our reward, in which we get something relatively useful, usually a weapon accessory of some kind. And with that, we've now finished a painting. There's a couple of these around the place. It's best to take a screenshot of the map when it pops up, and then compare it one-to-one with the actual map on your screen. Otherwise, you can of course look up guides if you want it pointed out for you. Anyways, hopefully this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.